Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. It's March 2018, just a reference to this code. The code is in Article 406 under Tamper resistive. I think it's around 12 or 6. But it talks about the plastic tabs inside of here being tamper resistive. Nowadays, they're going to have this plastic in there for the last 7 years. So what that means is that you can't put one item in one side and allow those windows to move. You actually have to have 2 prong to do that to the minimum, or 3. So that helps children and even adults protect themselves from trying to get shocked off of plugging into a simple outlet. Okay, they do come as a 20 amp and a 15 amp as well. Nowadays they're not going to have that TR tamper design on the front. That'll be more on the yoke here on the strap. But as you can see, this is a brand new one I put in, and this one actually is clear with no tamper resistive, and there's plastic tabs that are inside. Is there really a way to know? Well, you could take one item, put it in your larger side, your neutral, and check it. Make sure your hand isn't on the prong and it's insulated. But that's how you'll know. But this is tamper resistive, so that means you no longer need the plastic tabs that actually get put right over on top of it. It's not really an extra reassurance for you. You're just wasting time with more than anything. And then those plates that slide with the faceplate, I get a lot of arcing issues with lamps and items falling out, so I don't suggest those plates that slide either. I just suggest changing out your plugs. Keep in mind, if you update your plugs and your switches, the code states in 406.12 that you need to go to 210.12 and arc fault now those circuits that you're retrofitting. And also keep in mind paying attention to aluminum versus copper, as in copper clad aluminum, when you're attaching to a plug. Otherwise, now you're getting into Article 110.14c for difference of dissimilar metals and how you attach from your devices to your circuits. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Hopefully, it'll help you out.